भगवते वासुदेवाय वन्देऽहं श्रीगुरु श्रीयुता पदकमलम्. The body is different in man. The spirit soul is the same. Your spirit soul, my spirit soul is the same. But your body is called American body, my body is called Indian body. That is the difference. That you have got a different dress, I have got a different dress. Basang Sitinani Thal. The body is just like dress. So first spiritual knowledge is this, that I am not this body. Then the spiritual knowledge begins. Otherwise there is no possibility of spiritual knowledge. Jasyatu buddhi kunapeti dhatuke sadhik kalatra disubhaumajjalu. One who is thinking this body, I am myself, he is the rascal animal. That's all. This rascal animalism is going on all over the world. I am American, I am Indian, I am Brahmin, I am such. This is rascal. You have to go above this. Then there is spiritual knowledge. That is bhakti yoga. Manchabhya vicharini bhakti yogi na ja sevate sagunan samatitayitana brahma bhuyaya kalpate. Aham brahmasmi. This is required. So, in order to understand this yoga system, bhakti yoga, because only by bhakti yoga you can come to the spiritual platform. Aham brahmasmi. Nahang viprana, that Chaitanya Mahaprabhu says, Nahang viprana, Khatriya, what is that slok? I am not a Brahman, I am not a Khatriya, I am not a Vaishya, I am not a Shudra, I am not a Brahmachari, I am not a Grihastha, I am not a Vanaprastha, because our Vedic civilization is based on Varna and Ashram. So Chaitanya Mahaprabhu denied all these things. I do not belong to any other of this. Then what is your position? Gopi bhattu pada kamalayo, dasu dasu anudasu. I am eternally servant of the maintainer of the gopis, that means Krishna. And he preached, Jiver Sarupaya Nitta Krishna Da. That is our identification. We are eternal servant of Krishna. Therefore, these servants who have rebelled against Krishna, they have come to this material world. Therefore, to reclaim these servants, Krishna comes. And Krishna says, Paritranaya sadhunam vinasaya cha dushkitam dharma samasthapanarthaya sambhavami juge juge. Krishna comes, he is so kind. So, let us take advantage of Krishna's coming here, leaving behind him this Bhagavad Gita, and read it perfectly and make your life perfect. That is Krishna consciousness movement. It is not a bogus movement, it is most scientific movement. So, outside India, these European, American, they are taking advantage of it. Why not this Indian youth? What is wrong there? This is not good. Let us join together. Start this Krishna consciousness movement very seriously and deliver this suffering humanity. That is our purpose. They are suffering for want of knowledge. Everything is there, complete, simply by mismanagement. Simply by it is being managed by the rogues and thieves. You become perfect in Krishna consciousness and take the management and make your life successful. Thank you very much. Hare Krishna. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna,